Everyone, welcome to SOFTECH. Let us discuss about SAP ABAP interview question and answer. What is IDoc in SAP ABAP? Document is an SAP object that carries business transaction data in the form of electronic messages from one system to another. The IDoc helps us transforming data, information from the SAP system to another system and vice versa. The data transfer between two SAP systems is accomplished by using ALE, application link enabling, and data transfer from SAP system to non-SAP system is accomplished using EDI, electronics data interchange subsystems. Thank you for watching.